Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can amend chart of accounts on Xero. To amend chart of accounts, we need to go to accounting section and go to advanced subsection. From here we have advanced settings section and we can see chart of accounts here. So all chart of accounts list is provided here. It's a very long list with all descriptions and details provided under each code, so you can have an insight about what each code means. For example, if you need to add a new code under revenue, click the revenue section and you will have details about what current revenue codes you have, and if you need to add new, then you need to click on add account there. The same applies to any other sections, expenses, equity, liabilities. If you need to add a new code, so for example, cost of goods sold new code, then it is direct cost as a type, and to add new account, click add account. Here we need to select account type. So in this case, in my case, I need to find expenses and it is direct cost. Okay, code, I can select code between 310 to 320. So I will select 311, and name, which would be a short description of this code. So I will say costs of sales and call snack bars. Okay, I can add more details and description, but it's optional. I can select defaulted tax and also tick one of three applicable boxes below. Example, if you want to show in expense claims or enable payments on this account. Okay, click save and new cost of sales code has been added. If you need to edit this code, then click on code and it will open account detail card, so details can be amended. So this is a new code what I added. So for example, if I go to revenue and click on product snack bar there, I can amend details about the snack bar there. So this is the way how you can amend chart of accounts on Xero accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.